Hey guys, and welcome back to another extra video. And in this video we can only use loot from the train, and this is part 2 because the first one didn't really done well, but I got my homies, got a trio. When there's 3 of us, you know we're gonna win, but it depends what loot the train gives us. I hope it's like Halloween loot, since it's a Halloween train. Vader, don't leave us again. Since you marked all the way over there. Oh, there's a train, there's a train. Oh, it's foggy. I don't like how foggy it is, but at the same time I do. Whoa, is that the train? Sounds different. I like it. Alright, Vader. Oh no, no. What is that? Is that a shotgun? Oh. Oh, yes. Yes, there's a gatekeeper shotgun if you want it. Craft AR. Oh, what is Vader gonna use? Vader. AW, I got some flowberry. Vader! Oh no. Oh, alright, there he is. Vader, come here, quick. Oh, you need AR ammo? I don't have any AR ammo. Party hit! Right, Vader, do you have any guns? Oh! Yo, guys, that was a bit greedy then. Greedy. Any scopes on it? Alright. Obviously I got a good AR. Look, Vader! See you, train. Vader! We talked about this. No running off. Come here, boy. We can't use the turret. We can use mobility like shockwaves, stuff like that. Oh, war machines arsenal, why couldn't we get that? Hey, Vader, drop that down. Drop the war machines arsenal. You didn't get that from the train. Drop it. Vader, drop it. Drop. Yeah, drop the war machine. It's only loot from the train. Hey, no, and the chainsaw. No. We're not. Yes, good. No. Screw him. Why is he even? Oh god. Come on. Hey. Okay, buddy. And you had your chance with the chainsaw. Now I'll drop the chainsaw. And let's do the challenge. Okay? We can do the challenge this match. Then the next match we can play a battle royale game. It'll come to us. I'll look after Vader. You're a sneaky one. Eat your porridge. What is that? Is that music? Horde Rush 5! Hounds or Hades? Good. Bro. What's wrong, Peely Bone? Wait a minute. Do you have the broomstick? Something doesn't add up. Vader, we need to talk to you. You can't use guns from the loot pool. You can only use guns from the train. So if you have something what you didn't get from the train, drop it, okay? Okay, Billy the puppet. Okay. I'm gonna go get the bunker. Well, you can kill him. I hope there's no kids here, and I can use some more gold. Ah. 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 No way. No way. No way. You... Are you really? No. Are you really? Okay, yep. Wait, do you guys want to kill Emma Frost? And one of you guys can have a medallion? No. Emma Frost is a bully, and I say we teach her a lesson. But there's kids here. I am hungry for some kills. Hey, Emma Frost? Whoa, yo, wait, what? What were you doing out here? Yo, what? So confused right now. Yo, Emma Frost, relax, man. She's almost dead, guys. Come on, come on. Who's having a medallion? You can. I need more AR ammo. Wait, guys, do you guys have any AR ammo? Like, I have 0 AR ammo. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Shall we go to Island or? Well, oh, there's a kid here. Or is it one of the henchmen? There might be kids. No. Come on, man. Only use the loot from the trains. Okay? So there's no point of marking stuff. Is that from the train? No. Yeah, no. No, thumbs down, that is. Thumbs down. Yo. Let's go, man of mystery. Let's go. Maybe I jinxed it. Right, not. Yes! Woo! They had good loot, but they died from... you can have the crown if you want. You know what, guys? I say we armored the last kid. Oh, the storm survived it. No, guys, don't kill him. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! That was us losing... That was us using the loot from the train. If you have enjoyed that, subscribe and comment if you want another one.